Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in today's video, I am so excited because the holiday season is mostly just about entertaining. It's about spending time with family and friends, and we're really just surrounded by food, guys. So with that being said, this video is part of a collaboration and it's called Entertaining for the Holidays, and that's being hosted by Marilyn Cozy Lifestyle. Now, the co-host of this collaboration is At Home with Lisa, Jill Style, and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that's me. Now, I'm going to go ahead and link the host and the co-host down below in the description box along with the channel link. I'm also going to link the playlist. So make sure and full watch the video, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist so that you can see how everybody decided to decorate for entertaining for the holidays. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much and tell you how much I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Now, what I decided to do today is go ahead and decorate this table, place out some food. We're going to set out a beautiful charcuterie board, and we're just going to enjoy ourselves while entertaining our guests. So I really enjoyed this video. I think it came out absolutely gorgeous and yummy, if I don't say so myself. I love it, and I hope that you guys do too. Let's head on over to the review, guys. Now I do want to take a moment and thank the host, Marilyn Cozy Lifestyle, and the co-hosts at Home with Lisa and Jill Style, and myself for hosting this collaboration. I absolutely loved it. It is absolutely fitting for the holiday season, and I cannot wait to do this again. So have an amazing day, guys.